It's Friday, May 20th, 2016, and although Google's self-driving cars have a pretty clean accident record, there's only been a couple of mishaps in millions of driverless miles, but there will no doubt be a few human-involved collisions once the fleet is deployed. In an apparent effort to help minimize traumatic injuries in such an accident, a recently filed patent indicates Google might use super sticky car hoods, which would effectively trap a hit pedestrian like a fly on flypaper. It sounds like a really odd tactic, because it is, but some experts are suggesting it could actually help reduce injuries. The idea is to prevent an accident victim from being further injured by hitting the ground or getting struck by another car. Google will not confirm whether this design will actually be implemented, and frankly, Google patents stuff all the time without necessarily intending to use it. But if the so-called human flypaper were to be implemented, it's hard not to imagine it would also trap, well, actual flies and tons of other bugs and debris for that matter. We're hoping this one stays stuck in the blueprints. The next time you head to an IMAX theater, it could be to enjoy a new flick in VR. Yes, it turns out IMAX, known for its massive screens and huge sound systems, is looking to downsize its experience while also making it just as impressive, if not more so. IMAX is working with a company called Starbreeze to make premium destination-based VR experiences that will get you off the couch and into their theaters, where presumably you'll also be grabbing one of their greasy $12 buckets of popcorn. Starbreeze, while not as familiar a name in VR as HTC or Occulus, makes an impressive ultra-wide field of view VR headset with a 5K display called the Star VR 210. This will now be the official VR headset of IMAX. It isn't clear exactly what IMAX's new VR experience might entail and whether its more traditional large-scale screens will be involved, but it's a safe bet that eating that bucket of popcorn while immersed in a VR universe will be tricky and probably messy. Finally, a little Friday fun. To up your ping pong game, look no further than the TrainerBot. Billed as the world's first smart ping pong robot, the TrainerBot is a lot like the robot pitcher at a baseball batting cage, only this one is for ping pong, and it's quite a bit smarter. Digital Trends met up with one of the TrainerBot's co-creators, Alexander Chen, and our own Ted Kritsonis learned the hard way just how skilled the smart pong bot really is. Watch Kritsonis get schooled by the TrainerBot and learn more about how you can use an app to address any part of your game by hitting the link to the story below. That's it for DT Daily this week. Have a great weekend. We'll see you right back here on Monday.